Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how you can merge image and shape in Canva. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so let me take one blank page. Okay. Okay, so let me put one shape here. So we have lots of shapes. I just insert one shape here. If now let me take one image. So now if I trying to put image into it, I can put it image, but I need to just crop it, resize it, and then to put the image into it. Okay, but the one perfect method I will show you, we can make frame of this shape. Okay, and put the image or merge the image into it. What you need to do, just select that shape, go to the app and search for image, that frame maker. We need to use that frame maker app. Okay, just select your shapes. Now go to the convert, select that frame, continue, entire design, and make the maximum size, make the transparent background, export it, keep it entire design. Okay, entire design. Okay, we have crop. Okay, we have make frame to all design. So I just crop it. Don't put the image, okay, while you creating frame. I just crop it. Okay, I can't crop it. I need to delete that. I just undo it. Okay, I just need to delete that image. Okay, so now I just select only that shapes, entire design. Okay, now we have created the shape frame, frame of that shape, and now go to the go to your elements, or you can upload your own image from here. I just took image from here. Now I just blow up. You can see that image I have merged into the shape. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.